The latest budget phone from the Xiaomi's brand is Redmi 10. On today's review, we are going to talk about the Redmi 10. The Redmi 10 is an upgrade of the Redmi 9, and in this version, there are some upgrades you should know about before buying the Redmi 10. For design, the Redmi 10 comes with a smooth back panel with a matte finishing. Though it is glossy a little bit, but it does feel solid when it's being held. For display, the Redmi 10 comes with a 6.5 FHD plus dot display. It's also running on a 1080p and it comes with a 90Hz refresh rate. That is quite high for a budget phone. And trust me, this Redmi 10 is a phone for gamers because you don't have to experience any forms of lagging or hanging while you are playing game or doing one or two things on the phone. So definitely I can say the Redmi 10 is a phone for gamers, because for a phone to come with a 90Hz refresh rate, trust me, it's not going to hang. So for your gaming experience, the Redmi 10 can handle all of it. Let's talk about the performance of the Redmi 10. The Redmi 10 comes with an Helio G88 processor. If you think about Helio G88, you might also want to think about Helio G80 and G85. Let me break it down. You might be tempted to ask, how different is the Helio G88 compared to the Helio G80 and G85? And to be honest with you, it is exactly the same chipset. But when it comes to a higher resolution, the G88 is quite better. It's far more better, and it gives your camera a good quality picture and a better resolution display when you are gaming on the Redmi 10. Storage, the Redmi 10 comes with three different options, which are 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, comes with 4GB RAM, 128GB ROM, and it also comes with 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM, and it is expandable through an external memory card. Redmi 10 also comes with an interesting features, which is the RAM extension. This adds 2GB RAM to the existing memory RAM in your phone. This helps to improve multitasking. So automatically it takes your RAM from 4GB to 6GB RAM. To access the features, you go to your settings, click on additional settings, then you click on memory extension and you switch it on, and automatically, if your phone is 4GB RAM, automatically it has become 6GB RAM, and if your phone is 6GB RAM, automatically it has become an 8GB RAM phone. One important information I would like to also address is the issue of the second space. The Redmi 10 4GB RAM 64GB does not come with a second space, but for the 4GB RAM 128 and 6GB RAM 128, they both have second space on the phone. But for the 4GB RAM 64GB, it does not come with a second space. The one I currently have here is the 4GB RAM 64GB, and as you can see, I've clicked on the special features and there is no second space on it, but you can find the second space on the 4GB RAM 128GB and 6GB RAM 128GB. So please take note. For the battery, the Redmi 10 comes with a 5000 milliamps battery. It also comes with an 18 watts fast charging, means the phone can charge from 0% to 100% in 1 hour and a half. It also comes with an inbox charger of 22.5 watts. It also comes with a 9 watts reverse charging, and it is a Type C cable, unlike the Redmi 9 that came with a Type B cable. For the camera, the Redmi 10 comes with a 50 megapixel quad sensor camera, and also along with it is an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. And for the selfie camera, it comes with a 13 megapixel wide camera. And for videos can be captured up to 1080p resolutions at 30 fps, and there is no electronic stabilization available for your videos. Other interesting features that comes with the Redmi 10, it doesn't come with the Redmi 10 phones alone, it comes with every other Redmi device, is the IR blaster. The IR blaster allows you use the phone as a remote control. You can use it as a remote control to your TV, your projectors, your AC, and your rechargeable fans. So the Redmi phones comes with an IR blaster, and that is the nice features for a budget phone, trust me. Also, the Redmi 10 comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. that is built into the power button, and it is very fast, accurate, and seamlessly integrated. The Redmi 10 also comes with a 3.5mm jack for plugging in headphones, and it comes with a car stereo speakers. The Redmi 10 also comes with a double speaker which gives you a good sound score. One of the speakers is at the top of the phone while the other one is at the bottom, and with the help of these double speakers it gives you a good sound score when you're playing games or watching movies or playing music. For the Xiaomi Redmi 10, you get a sleek looking design and a large refresh rate with an LCD screen. It also has a good battery life, and the camera isn't that bad for a budget phone. So if you need a budget phone, the Redmi 10 is worth looking into. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll be doing more of this on my channel, so kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when I post new videos of phones reviews, you'll be able to get notifications about them. And if you have any suggestions or questions, you can drop them in the comment sections and we'll talk about them. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in our next review.